Se county ya Kisii nikubanyora maigerio anene enchira baguchikone kinangotingi baromure osoborende nabaigo nomuremba sobochoryo bonebole bosyo bocho kolekana mutinyo gatano na gatatu asumoko yigabo chiri bubere na 22 nomoye gokolekana asamagacha ATC ime yomocho bosongo muri keito sara nyarangyo ntita na roboti rwa senchira yobokirano
emetienyi eneyoka yatigaire eliaba Kenya kogenda asobochoryo bonene kurende onye omurembe nobotwerera mboyo ensenige kwenyora asa kongu elio kwenekia obotwereru abanyanyimbo bekiombe kia National Police Service kubwaterana nekiombe kia I Change Nations nigo batwara maigerio gochia sabanyanyimbo ime ya Agricultural Training Center ime ya county ya Kisii Asomo County Police Commander Francis Kooli na Dr. Ruben West bakwanera ekerenga kyomorovelyo yo.
Kwa mjadala wa kuweza kuweka mipango mikakati ya kuhakikisha kuna amani wakati ambao huu tumeuingia wa siasa na kwenda uchaguzi.
To be here in Kisii. Let me tell you something. I've had the opportunity to bring multiple people to Kenya, coming to explore Kenya, to invest in Kenya, to bring resources, to see where they can participate, to see how they can connect with the small to medium enterprises. And all of these things depend on peace. See, when you have somebody coming from to another country, they're looking for stability in the environment. And what I can tell you is if there is no peace, there is no people coming.
Omo waziri wechindemero Gusii Dr. Walter Bichanga Ukibo naerera obuja bw'omorobelyo yo chinga kiechiga chechikura.
Chia 2022. Mtorne kene 26 tugusinga boniga ngosotulenga kiechikura. Na ndi no tura already. Natwasoirenga kiechikura botambo bokomuto gutwara no bwa matubuya butabeti oro na bakonyora abantu baicho bakurwana abandi bagutwara makongo ao ayata iko chiale atomoremba sto.
I'm called a global voice under I Change Nations, and the message is to take this message of peace and civility to the young people in schools. I've done that. So far I've done over 5,000 schools.
Nigo abasubati na bana bake baguchandeka chinga kichiburaburu chikwenekigwa sense ya Kenya buna Magdalene Gesare akwerera abwasebaigo arwali chibu lyogokora omochando yo.
In any situation that requires people to transition from one political government to another, the biggest casualty in case there is any form of violence are normally women and children. And so today we are sending out a message that even as the campaigns go on, let those people who are out in the field be considerate of women and children.
Hizi ya mipango ya kuweka amani wakati huu ya uchaguzi, na hiyo inaletwa ikiwa umeandaa maafisa hawa uweza kukabiliana mambo haya.
Zembobe baikuralia sabasikali boke bakuralia sekero umuntu nga abantu tigatunyore ngo murembe no ruranyare ko bagogoto obotwere.
Sara Nyarangi Ontita, Ndizi TV.